Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can comment with GIFs and also stickers on TikTok videos. So if you want to stand out in the comment section, here I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to post GIFs and also stickers in TikTok comments. So you can start by choosing the videos that you want to comment. For example, this one, you can just click on the comment icon and click on the text box to leave a comment, and just click on the sticker icon. So in here you can see there are lots of stickers that you can choose, but if you want to find or add GIFs, you can just click on the search icon and then you can just search the keyword GIFs, and there will be lots of GIFs options in here that you can choose. For example, I'm going to go this one. You can click on it and then you can also leave an extra comment in here and you can just hit on send. You can also add more than one. Let's say I'm going to also add a sticker like this. Apparently you can only send one between GIFs or stickers. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.